Hello, good morning, teachers. How are you today? Good, okay. So, are you excited to study and learn together? Okay, great. Me too. I'm so excited to be with you today. All right, so I have a topic for us to learn together. Jadi ada topik baru, ya, modul baru in our module. But I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Saya tidak akan kasih tahu topiknya apa. For first, our activity is we're gonna play a game instead. Okay? So the game is miming. Have you ever played that game? Pernah main miming? Okay. So miming means you pretend and do some movement, and then your friends guess. Okay, what is it? For example, if I say, let's see, like this. Yes, that kind of game. Okay, you ready? Okay, we're gonna start with who wants to go first? Siapa yang mau duluan? You can raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, please come.
Wake up.
Okay, good job. Thank you. Give applause. Let's put it here. Next one, who wants to go next? Let's see. Which one is brush tip? Is this one? Hmm. Is this one? Yes. Let's put it there. Stick it on the board like this. Oops. Okay, all good? Yay! Okay, now we have more pictures here. If you look at the pictures, can you help me match the activities to the picture together? So the first one, this one. Apa ini ya? What is this? Which picture is that? Yang mana ya? Is it this one? This one? Okay, let's put it there. Oops. Okay, next one. Get dressed. Which one is that? This one? Yes. Okay, get dressed. Get dressed. Okay, then we have have a shower. Which one? Can you show me? This one? Yes, excellent. Great. Okay, so we have
Get up.
get up. Which one is get up? Of course. Get up. Get up. Okay, and then we have
Do exercise.
which one is do exercise? How about this? Yay! Do you do exercise? Remember 7 kebiasaan anak Indonesia hebat, you know? We do exercise every day. And we also pray. Which picture is that? This one? Yes. This one is also one of the routine for anak Indonesia hebat. And then last one.
Go to school.
Which one? Of course, the last one and only. Now, as you see, Tara, we have some actions or activities here. So can you guess our topic today? So today we are going to learn how to teach daily routine to our students. Nanti ibu-ibu akan mengajarkan how to say daily routine to your students in grade 3, di kelas 3 ya, untuk A1. So we are going to learn the language focus. Kita akan membahas tentang bahasanya ya, what are the language we use, the phrases we use, and also how to teach. Okay, it's not only talking about the routines, but also how to teach the routines to our students. Kita akan belajar how to teach daily routine, but focusing on listening and speaking cycle. Oke, bagaimana mengajarkan listening dan speaking terkait topik daily routine to our students. For the first brainstorming activity, I want you to think of, as you see, we just had the activity to introduce you to the topic. Tadi, activity sebelumnya memperkenalkan topik yang akan kita pelajari. And how are you going to do that to your students? Okay, I want you to think and reflect what have you done in your teaching experience, and also what can you do to introduce the daily routine to your students. Okay, I give you 3 minutes to discuss with your friends, and then we're gonna bring together in the class. Okay, you can start. Okay, so after you discuss, what is this group discussion result.
Anak-anak itu bertanya apa yang kamu lakukan saat bangun pagi hari.
Okay, asking them question. How do you ask the question? What do you do in the mornings?
What do you do in the morning?
Good, yeah, that's how we elicit. So it's a good way to ask or to check your students' background knowledge. Next one, how about games? Kira-kira games apa yang bisa kita pakai untuk memperkenalkan topik tentang daily routine ini? Yang tadi ya, yang tadi itu apa? Miming namanya ya ibu-ibu. Miming games. Bermain miming itu tidak hanya memperkenalkan vocabulary, frase, tapi juga kita membawa murid-murid kita bergerak ya, TPR, total physical responses. Any other games like apa misalnya? Bodrash juga bisa ya. Bodrash misalnya sentuh gambar yang mana gitu ya. Itu juga bisa ibu-ibu. Ada lagi selain games dan pertanyaan? Mungkin ada satu lagi?
Bernyanyi, Bu.
Yeay, singing ya, anak-anak kita juga suka bernyanyi walaupun ada yang masih malu-malu, tapi ketika kita memperkenalkan sesuatu dengan lagu, dengan musik itu juga sangat fun ya ibu-ibu ya. Do you know any songs? Kita rencananya mau memperkenalkan topik daily routine. Apa ya? Tapi ada satu lagu yang biasa dipakai untuk memperkenalkan daily routine. Namanya This Is The Way.
This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair on a warm and sunny morning.
On stage, after we introduce the topic, we want the students to practice listening, of course, ya. So the second one is, of course, we are going to do the listening activity. Sebelum saya memainkan di audio, saya punya teks. Ini lembar kerja atau worksheet untuk murid-murid kita kerjakan dengan mendengarkan atau menyimak audionya. Ada dua activity di sini. Yang pertama adalah complete the text. So, we are gonna do the first one first. Do not unfold, yang dibuka dulu karena di bawahnya adalah activity yang kedua ya. Kita fokus dulu ke activity yang pertama, listen, and then complete the text ya.
After that, I play SQL. Then I have a bath and I get dressed. Next, I have breakfast. At 6:30, I go to school.
Ya, did you get all the answers? Do you want to become Tina? And you can become Andy, okay? Let's read, Tina. 4:30. Good job. Okay, next. Okay, stop. The last one, please. Wow, good job. Thank you so much. Okay. For the second activity, in here, the Andy's activities are listed. Yeah, it's not really in order, tidak berurutan, not in order. So you need to put the numbers. Now next, number 2 to number 6. Can you write it down? I give you 1 minute to do that. That's how we talk about our morning routine. Ya. So we have the sequences. Ya, ada sequences first, next, gitu ya, and finally. Okay, that's the listening activity. Setelah listening, kita ingin anak-anak kita or our students, murid-murid kita menggunakan apa yang sudah mereka pelajari di stage sebelumnya. Okay, so we want them to speak, of course. Ya. Bagaimana membuat anak-anak kita berbicara? Mudah tidak, ibu-ibu? Mudah tidak?
Tidak.
Oh, kenapa ya? Kenapa ya? Apalagi pakai bahasa Inggris ya? Kenapa ya? What's wrong, do you think? Malu atau nggak bisa atau belum terbiasa. That's why we want to build the culture. We want to get them used to ya. Kita mulai membiasakan English, and it's okay to make mistakes, it's okay. Nanti kita bantu untuk memperbaikinya ya. Dimulai dengan latihan-latihan di kelas seperti ini. Okay, so in here the speaking activity, we are going to ask each other. Kita akan bertanya satu sama lain. In here, you write your friends' names. For example, we want ask Aulia. Excuse me, Aulia. So you write Aulia's name here, and then ask. Look at the questions at the top here, ada pertanyaan ya, question to use. What do you do in the morning? Okay, and then you can write the activities here. If it's not in order, di sini ada pertanyaan, what do you do first? Okay, so if you look at the questions, ya, look at the questions, there are some prompt, ada prompt di sini, you can use. Boleh dipakai, boleh tidak. Tapi kalau bingung, boleh dipakai di sini ya, so make it easier. Again, we want our students to get used to. Terbiasa. Terbiasanya dengan apa? Memberikan dulu contoh-contoh. Ya. Lalu jika tidak mengerti, you can use this. Repeat please. Speak slowly please. Okay, there are some prompts as well in here if you don't understand. Ya. Okay, so let's have 10 minutes to ask each other and then we share. Kita share yang mana yang sama ya kegiatannya dengan kita. Okay, so what do you ask first? Bagaimana tanyanya ke temannya? What question?
What do you do in the morning?
Good. Now we are going to discuss your questions results ya. Hasil bertanya ke teman-temannya. Probably you can start sharing your partner's activities in the morning. Good job. Thank you so much. How about this pair? Can you tell us what your partners do in the morning? Okay, wow, good job. Thank you so much. Okay, ibu-ibu, that's how we teach our students about their routines for one cycle ya. Satu cycle saja listening speaking. Biasanya kita 4 skills secara bersama-sama, tapi waktu kita tidak banyak hari ini, so only focusing on listening speaking. And if you notice, kalau ibu-ibu memperhatikan tadi, ada some phrases, classroom phrases namanya atau classroom language that we use. Ya, ada classroom language untuk introducing the topic. I have listed the classroom language on this worksheet. So there are some phrases we commonly use first for encouraging and introducing the topic. Some phrases here, okay? And then using sequences, like time expressions that we use. First, sequences itu apa ya? Urutan tadi ya. First, and then, next, finally ya. Di sini ada. Lalu juga checking understanding, ya. Bagaimana kita bertanya, misalnya kalau kita bertanya ke anak-anak kita, do you understand? Jawabannya pasti apa ibu-ibu? Yes. So we don't ask, do you understand to our students? Kita bertanya untuk checking their understandings, ya. Jadi ada frasenya atau penggunaan bahasanya ada di sini, lalu ada penutupan juga, ya, penutupan di sini, oke? Nah, saya akan bagikan ini untuk ibu-ibu pelajari dan lihat, oke? Setelah itu kita akan coba micro teaching. Jadi ibu-ibu akan mencoba mengajar bagaimana memperkenalkan daily routine ke murid-muridnya. Boleh pakai game, boleh pakai lagu tadi, yang mana saja. Tapi usahakan phrases yang ada di sini dipakai ya ibu-ibu ya. Silakan saya bagikan dulu. Oke, ibu-ibu, in here on the first list di sini ada frase yang kita pakai untuk introducing the topic ya. Ada 3 frase di sana. Listen and repeat. Okay, the first one, good. Okay, the next one is okay, ibu-ibu, don't forget to praise our students when they try, and especially if they do good job, we need to say to them, good job, okay, great job. And that's for reflection as well, okay? And when we conclude the meeting, ketika kita tutup pertemuan, jangan lupa kita ambil summary-nya. In here, in the last list, you see, today we learn how to describe daily activities. Okay, and the last one, don't forget to practice first, then after that, and finally. Okay, thank you for your attention today. I'll see you next time. I'm closing the classroom. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.